In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in ClickUp. We'll start right at the beginning so everything is clear and easy to follow. First, open your ClickUp account. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. This is your shortcut to creating new items. Click that plus icon to create a new space. A space is like a top-level home for related work, and setting one up specifically for epics keeps everything organized from the start. When the creation window opens, you'll be prompted to choose a name. Here, I'll write Epic, so it's immediately clear what this space is for. You can choose any naming convention that fits your workflow, but keeping it simple helps your team recognize it at a glance. Right below the name, you can also write a description. Use this to clarify how you'll use epics, what belongs here, and any conventions you want the team to follow. A short, practical description prevents confusion later and sets expectations for scope and structure. Next, click Create to move forward. This takes you into the setup flow where you can define how work will move through your process. Now define workflow. In ClickUp, a workflow is made up of statuses that represent each stage of progress. Keep it straightforward and meaningful. For example, include a starting point like to do, a working stage such as in progress, an optional review or validation stage, and a clear finish line like done. Think about how your team actually works and match the statuses to those steps. Fewer, well-chosen statuses make it easier to see progress at a glance and reduce unnecessary handoffs. Once your workflow feels right, click Create Space to finalize. Your dedicated epic space is now ready, with a name, a helpful description, and a workflow that reflects how you operate. This foundation will make everything you add later easier to manage and track. Now, once done, you can click Create Task and add it. This first task can represent a high-level epic or the first piece of work that belongs in your epic space. Give it a clear title, include a concise summary in the task description, and add any relevant context so teammates know exactly what needs to happen. If it helps, use the task to break down the bigger objective into smaller linked items later. The key is to start with a well-defined task so progress is visible and aligned with your workflow. And that's it. You've opened your account, created a space for epics, defined a clean workflow, and added your first task to get things moving.